I used 3D software to design mine to make sure the placement of the hooks and rings were correct. Here are the basic dimensions I used for my build for reference. For the game, the materials I used were 1x6, 1x3, 1.5 inch dowel, then hooks, rings, eyes, and string from a hardware store. For the shot ladder, I just used a scrap piece of 1x4. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is make the base. I'm going to make the base out of 2 pieces of 1x6 cut to 12 inches. Then I'm going to take one of them and drill a 1.5 inch hole for the dowel. The reason I'm only going to use one is because then I'm going to glue 2 pieces together and then have a real precise depth for the dowel. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and just let this glue up dry for a little while we make the other pieces. Okay, so now let's make the top. I'm going to start with a piece of 1x3. I'm going to cut it to 15.5 inches. Then I'm going to drill a dowel hole, 1.5 inches in the middle. Then I'm going to drill 2 pre-drilled holes for the eyes on either end. Now I'm going to take a piece of 1.5 inch dowel, cut it to 12.5 inches, and then pre-drill the hook holes 4.25 inches from the end. So now I'm going to make 2 optional parts. The first part is going to be a shot ladder, and it's going to be made from a piece of 1x4 with 5 1.5 inch holes spaced 2 inches apart. The second piece is just going to be a little game piece made out of 1.5 inch dowel. Okay, all the pieces are cut. Now I'm going to go ahead and sand, glue, and screw everything together. Then I'm going to install all the hardware. Okay, to play this game, you use either a shot glass or a game piece. You put your shot glass or game piece on the shot ladder. Then, both opponents at the same time try to get their ring on the hook. Every time you get your ring on the hook, you get to move the game piece closer to your opponent. Once the game piece is all the way on their side of the table, they lose and they take a shot. This is a super fun game. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, like, and tell me what you guys think.